You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I said correctly, and we're going to look at how it's pronounced in Spanish and also how you can easily say it in English. If you want to learn more Spanish names pronounced, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Saenz, that's your Spanish pronunciation. So you got two different sounds, sa, ens. All right, makes sense. You separate out the beginning, the sa, and the ens. Saenz, that's the Spanish pronunciation used in South America, Argentina, and so on. Now, in English, well, similarly, signs. A lot of people say that it's like science, you know, S-I-G-N-S, signs. There are signs. Well, it's essentially that because it's a bit of a diphthong, eins, all right? So if you pronounce it science, that's fine. In Spanish, signs. In English, signs. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.